In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Invideo AI account. Before we get started, just a quick note. Deleting your account is permanent. That usually means losing access to your projects, your settings, and any preferences saved in your workspace. So if there's anything you want to keep, like exported videos or important project files, make sure you download or back those up first. Once you're confident you're ready, we can move on. First, open your browser and go to the Invideo AI website. Log in using your usual account details. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right account, especially if you have more than one, because you'll be deleting the account you're currently signed into. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon, which might be your initials or a small avatar image. Click on that profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for your account. On the settings page, you'll see a panel or menu on the left-hand side. This is where different sections of your account settings are organized. In that left panel, look for the option that says Manage Account. Go ahead and click that. This section is specifically for managing key details related to your profile, including the option to delete it. Inside the Manage Account section, look for a button labeled Delete Account. It may stand out visually, sometimes in a different color, because it's an important action. Click on this Delete Account button. As soon as you do, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This pop-up is there to make sure you really want to go through with deleting your account. Read the message carefully and double-check that you're prepared to lose access to your account and its data. If you've changed your mind, you can simply close the pop-up to cancel. If you are sure you want to proceed, look at the bottom right corner of the pop-up. You'll see another Delete Account button there. Click this button to confirm. After a moment, your Invideo AI account will be deleted and you may be logged out or redirected. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Invideo AI account.